This is what's new with Agility Platform 10.1 from the CSE Cloud training team. What we're going to do today is show off new features and new capabilities of Agility Platform that you may not have seen before. And we'll do this by logging into a live instance and showing these. Let's log in with an admin account. As you can see, we have two new perspectives that you may not have seen before. The projects perspective, which is what you're looking at here, and next to it the marketplace perspective. One important thing to note is neither one of these two new perspectives require Flash. This is all JavaScript and HTML5. I can see my available products that I can check out. I can also see all the other perspectives that were available with the traditional Flash and Java-driven view of the Agility platform. Let's go back to the project menu. What I'd like to do is create a brand new project, and let me show you how easy that is. I'm going to give this new project a name and a description. I'm going to then choose a location for that. I could choose a subfolder if that was available, but for this quick demo, we're going to choose the root folder. And then I have the ability to choose a project template, which has a lot of pre-built features of projects. I'm going to use the geographic template, which has several environments mapped to geographic regions. If I chose to, I could use a security posture here, and I'm going to skip that for now and choose next, and I've created my new project. As you can see, Spectre project now has a CONUS, EMEA, and APAC environment inside it. And it's ready to be populated with blueprints and instances. So let's jump to the marketplace and check out a store product. Let's choose that Windows Store product. And we'll choose the Spectre project and order it. We jump back, and of course we can add other store products at this point, or we can jump back to the project. Now I can't find my Spectre on the screen, so the important thing is to find it, especially if I have many projects. If I choose that search bar at the top right, type in Spectre, I can get there. It has an advanced field as well, so I can choose just scripts or just packages or just projects, as the case may be. Clicking on Spectre takes me to that project directly, and I can see that my store product is ready to be approved. And then deployed. And I'm going to place this in the CONUS. And then we have to approve that deployment as well. And then we'll start it. And as you can see, the entire workflow for checking out a store product all the way through to starting that virtual machine can be done inside the project perspective. This is a new workflow for Agility 10. Now, we talked a little bit further about the project templates, about what they can do for you, and it's important to see how they are created. Traditionally, we actually set up projects manually or through the store, and you'll see a little later that's been depreciated. But I can show you what we can do with the policy perspective, and we have these new template objects. So I'm going to choose the geographic template, and you can see it's got 3 environments inside it. I'm going to choose unready to make it unready while I'm making changes to it. Then I'm going to add a new environment. Obviously, Spectre operates all over the world, but we'd like to have another environment to designate our volcano fortress. And so we'll create an environment just for that. We'll choose OK. It looks like it's ready to go. And as soon as we're ready to publish that to the outside world to let other projects use that, we'll click on Ready, and then we'll jump back to the project dashboard or project perspective. And I can see I haven't changed my existing project, but I can create a new one. Again, with the same geographic template and no security stance. And now I've got a new project with 4 environments inside it. So as you can see, the policy perspective is what lets you create these new project templates. Now, new items in Agility Platform. First one, Java 8. Agility Platform now runs on Java 8, and this will be even more important when we talk about what's depreciated. Agility Platform now fully supports management of Windows images using WinRM as well. Now, depreciated, we talked about what you get. Now, what is not there anymore? Agility Platform V9. Now, with 10.1 out and 9.2.7 is the next but one, that means that Agility 9.0 and 9.1 are now no longer supported. Additionally, Red Hat Enterprise Linux Desktop and 32-bit images, as well as the 2008 R1 and OpenStack are no longer supported. The project store that we talked about earlier, that'll all be done through project templates. And lastly, vCloud Director and the REST API v2.1, vCloud Director 5.1 are no longer supported. Now, this is the time to start talking about things that are going to be depreciated so you can get your customers ready. Java 7 equipped guest virtual machines will not work with 10.2. We're going to have to make sure that all of the guest VMs are run with Java 8. And the REST APIs will have to be v3 or better. If you'd like further videos, please check us out at Cloud Training on that SharePoint. If you'd like further formal training, please visit abtraining@csc.com.